Hey you guys, and welcome back. I'm Ashley Pickens here in Memphis, Tennessee, you guys. I've been in real estate since 2006. 2006 as a real estate agent, as a real estate broker, but y'all know me as your auction mama. I auction off foreclosures at the courthouse here in Shelby County all the way to Nashville. But today, let's jump into the latest foreclosure numbers for April, you guys. You know, I try to come on here and share some information, and they are going up, you guys. Y'all have been so busy at the auction lately, like every day. Y'all, the foreclosures are coming. All I'm saying is the foreclosures are coming. Oh yeah, I got a masterclass the end of this month. Masterclasses, it's May, you guys. It's May 18th. I have 2 masterclasses at the end of this month. The first one, absolutely free, all about distressed investing. If you're thinking about investing in distressed properties, where to start, where you want to begin, which lane is best for you, you know what I mean? So come to the masterclass, you guys. Sign up. I think over 50 people have already signed up. The link is down below. The second one is all about auctions because I'm your auction mama, you guys. So let's talk about where you find auctions, how to bid on them, how to set your budget, because you cannot see the inside of these properties. So come to the masterclass. It's live, you guys, so you can ask me questions. Let's talk about what happens if tenants are living in the houses that you buy at the auction. What do you do? So all the links to the masterclasses are below. So you guys, let's jump into April foreclosure numbers. All right, so we've got 36,000 properties with foreclosure filings right now across the country. I've said this before, foreclosure is usually 3 phases. So the homeowner gets behind, usually 3 months. What I'm seeing is like 3 years that homeowners are behind. The lender files that notice of default, then the auction is scheduled, and then the lender repossesses the property, right? So April's foreclosure activity continued to gradually climb, right? Is what this article is saying. Lenders repossessed 3,580 U.S. properties through completed foreclosure. These are also known as REO properties, you guys. So the cities with the highest foreclosure REO rates right now, we've got Chicago, Illinois with 220 REOs. Atlanta, Georgia, you guys, is finally on this list. I'm not surprised. I've been kind of watching Georgia's auction. Since I do auctions, I can kind of see everybody's across the country. So Georgia and Texas, they auction on the first Tuesday of the month. So Georgia, that's Bibb County, Cobb, Fulton, Gwinnett. What else y'all got? All those counties down there, I'm seeing the auctions start piling up. And honestly, like when I pick properties to look at, it looks like it's a lot of investors down there that might be foreclosing. A lot of properties, when I research them, it looks like maybe an investor bought it, fixed it up in hopes of selling. It could not sell. Then they tried to rent it, right? It wouldn't rent. They lowered the rent, and then they still couldn't rent it, and now they're in foreclosure. I am seeing that pattern happen a lot, you guys. The market was good, you know, a couple of years ago when investors were just buying, and now interest rates have gone up, the market has cooled down, and you just can't get off a property like you used to could. You know what I mean? Okay, let's keep going. So Atlanta, Georgia is number 2. New York City with 143. Houston, Texas with 114 REOs. And Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Texas is the state to watch, you guys. If you live in Texas and you are behind on your mortgage, you need to call somebody. Call the lender. Try to figure out your options, if there's still assistance. Y'all, Texas, San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, Houston, they're coming. They are coming, you guys. So let's keep going. Highest foreclosure rates. We're talking about overall highest foreclosure rates across the country. We've got South Carolina, Illinois, Florida, Delaware, and Nevada. A lot of the same states that we've seen for the last few years, still at the top of the list. South Carolina, Illinois, Florida, Delaware, Nevada. Same states that we've been seeing. Let's narrow it down to some cities. We've got Warner Robins, Georgia, Killeen, Temple, Texas, Chico, California, Ocala, Florida. Y'all know if I mess up the name, you guys just tell me how to say it, right? Put it at the bottom. Y'all taught me Cuyahoga. Cuyahoga, I got you. But just tell me where I'm supposed to put the accent mark, you know what I mean? And Palm Bay, Melbourne, Titusville, Florida, cities with the overall highest foreclosure rates. Here's some more cities: Cleveland, Ohio, Chicago, Illinois, Riverside, California, Houston, Texas, and San Antonio, Texas. I keep telling y'all, they say San Antonio is the real hot spot. Really, really. If you live in San Antonio, what y'all got going on? The builders have just overbuilt. What's Texas? I'm telling you, like, they are gearing up people to get ready for foreclosures, like the trustees, the auctioneers, all that. Like I'm being so serious, you guys. Let's talk about foreclosure starts. Lender started, that's the first phase. Homeowner gets behind, that lender files that notice of default. Lender started the foreclosure process on 25,265 properties in April. States that had the greatest number of foreclosure starts: we've got Texas with 3,280 foreclosure starts, Florida with 2,810, California with 2,501, Illinois with 1,313, and Ohio with 1,135 new foreclosure starts. Let's talk about cities. We have Houston, Texas, Chicago, Illinois, you guys, New York City, New York. I will not do my Pace Picante sauce commercial when I say New York City. Miami, Florida with 739 foreclosure starts, and Atlanta, Georgia with 665 foreclosure starts. These are brand new foreclosures. That means these people have gotten behind, and the lender, y'all, these lenders, they starting to push these foreclosures through. Like, hear me very well. They are starting to push these foreclosures on out. So if you are behind, if you know somebody who is behind, tell them to call their lender. Communicate. Y'all can't keep ignoring your mail. You can't keep ignoring the phone calls. Just pick up the phone and see what your options are. There might be some assistance that's available for you. I feel like the banks have really been trying to work with people since COVID, you guys. You know, and a lot of people are just struggling right now. I just saw Microsoft just laid off a ton of people. You know, so you're not alone. Like, if you're watching this and you were behind on your mortgage, know that you are not alone. Okay? It's millions of people behind on their mortgage. So just pick up the phone. They have people dedicated at these lending offices, you know, the loss mitigation. They come to work to help people who are behind on their mortgage. So y'all just pick up the phone and call them. So those are the foreclosure rates across the country for April. You guys, these numbers just keep going up. My auction schedule is ridiculous. If you're looking for REO properties, you guys, that's HUD Home Store. So did y'all see HUD Home Store? That's the site that you bid for REO properties. So they have taken off the regulations for the First Look program. So First Look meant nonprofit and owner occupants had the first look at the properties and could bid on the bank-owned properties. They removed that. And so now investors, hedge funds, everybody, now it's just first come, first serve, you guys. I guess they said it wasn't enough first look people. The people looking first weren't buying. So now they're like, let the investors. It's probably because they got so many properties coming down the pipeline, they don't have time to do first look. Right? The people looking first not buying. So I guess they just said, look, whoever got some money, first come, first serve. If you got some coins, you can bid. But I don't know. If investors start buying up everything, you guys, you know, I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's going to happen. But those are the foreclosure numbers for April. Don't forget the master classes are down below. You guys, I was thinking about doing, maybe I should start like once a week. I love real estate. You know, I love all the articles. Maybe I'll start making videos of like the top 3 most interesting articles that I find about real estate. But just know it's not going to be like how many houses sold. It'll be like distressed real estate and foreclosures, stuff like that. I might start doing that once a week, but we'll see. y'all know how I am with these videos. So check out the master classes down below. You know, it's always a good time when your auction mama is teaching them. Don't forget, you guys, I am on Instagram, Your Agent Ashley on Instagram, and I am right here on YouTube, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, you guys.